Hi students, my name is Satyam, lecturer in Computer Science and Applications, Government Degree College for Women's, Jagityal. Today's topic is jumping control structures in C and switch statement in C. The switch statement is also called as multi-way control structure. So today we will discuss in the class these two topics, jumping control structures and multi-way control structure, that is called switch statement, that is called switch control structure. Then jumping control statements in C. The jumping control statements in C include the following statements. Number 1, break statement. Number 2, continue statement. Number 3, go to statement. Like that, the jumping control statements are classified into 3 types, that are break statement, number 2, continue statement, number 3, go to statement. Okay, what is the jumping control statements in C? The jumping control statement jump the control from one place to another place in the execution of the program. While the program is executing, when the jumping control statement occurs, then the control is jumped from the present position to specified position is called as jumping control statements. So with the help of jumping control statements, the control will jump from one place to another place in the execution mode of the C program, in the execution methodology of the C program is called jumping control statements. Okay, so generally these jumping control statements are 3. One is break statement, second one is continue statement, third one is go to statement. Now I will discuss one by one. Now first, break statement. Break is used to exit from a do while loop, for loop and while loop also. It is also used to exit from a switch statement. When loop are nested, the break would only exit from the loop contain it. It means the break will exit only a single loop. That is the behavior of break statement. Means when the break statement is executed by the compiler, then the loop, presently if the control is in the loop of do while loop or for loop or while loop, the loop, the corresponding loop is breaked. Means the corresponding loop is terminated in the middle only. Terminated in the middle only. Okay. So this break statement also used in the switch statement also. Okay. So in the switch statement, when the break statement is executed, then what will happen? Total the switch control statement is terminated from the execution. Like that, the break statement, the name indicates the break statement is breaks. Okay, break statement can breaks the execution of do while loops, for loops and while loops, as well as it is used in the switch statement also. With the example, I will explain the break statement. Okay, then observe the program carefully. Here a while statement is there. The while statement executes the block continuously. Then if a break statement is executed, then the while loop is terminated and comes to end of the while loop. That means, for example, if my while loop is executed 10 times, assume my while loop is executed actually 10 times. Okay, so when we are not used the break statement, so if here I am writing a condition, if condition here. If the given condition is true, then the break statement is executed. Okay. When the break statement is executed, the while loop is breaked and the control is moved at the bottom of the while loop. At the bottom of the while loop. Actually, if you omit these two lines, if condition and break here, so actually my while loop is executed 10 times. But if in any iteration the if condition is satisfied, that means I am trying to execute the break statement with the help of if condition. So in that situation, so without looping of 10 times, simply the while loop is breaked. Okay. So like that, the while loop in the while loop the break statement is worked. Okay. So I will explain with the example program. Okay. For example, here I am writing a program that is while, okay, while I equal to some, while I is less than or equal to some less than or equal to 5. Okay. So then open curly brace, then here if I equal to then 3, if I equal to 3, then break and close curly brace here. So a simple program. Here actually the while loop is executed 5 times. I equal to 1, I equal to 2, I equal to 3, I equal to 4, I equal to 5. That means the while loop is executed generally 5 times. But if you used here a if condition is like this, if I equal to 3, then I am writing the break statement here. So like that, when the I reaches the 3 value, then automatically the control is, the while loop is breaked with the help of a break statement. Okay. I will explain in the using example program also. Okay. After completion of this theory section. Then next come to continue statement. The continue statement skip the remaining statements in the body of the loop and continue with the next iteration of the loop. Means the continue statement can only be used within the body of a while loop, do while loop or for loop. Generally the continue statement is used in the while repetition control statement, do while repetition control statement, for repetition control statements. Okay. In these repetition control statements, the program is executed continuously. Okay. So in the black from top to bottom approach. So when the continue statement is executed by the compiler, then the following lines are not executed. Simply it will go to the top of the while loop. Simply it will go to the top of the while loop or do while loop or for loop. Okay. So whatever it may be used in the program, the corresponding loop top position, the continue will be moved to top and execute again continuously. Okay. Like that, continue means, that means from that place the control will move to top and it executes continuously. Okay. Like that, the continue statement will execute continuously. Okay. For example, here see the example carefully. Here I am writing a program like this for a while x is less than or equal to 10 and open curly brace, close curly brace, and I am writing some program. So in this program, the while loop is executed 10 times. Okay. Why? Because I am using in the program x equal to 1. Now x is less than or less than 10. X equal to 1. Okay. X is less than 10. Then afterwards at the bottom I used instruction as x is assigned to x plus 1. So in this situation, okay, my while loop is executed generally 9 times. Okay. So whatever it may be the execution iteration steps. Okay. So not concentrate on that particular topic, just concentrate on the continue. When the loop is executed, then simply it will enter into the first line and it is executed. Second line it executed. Third line it executed. Means in the iteration number 1, that means in the step number 1, so the while loop is executing, means the block is executing. So in this block the lines, the statements are executed continuously. So first line is executed, second line is executed, third line is also executed. Actually if you omit this line, if you not written the continue statement, then what will happen? Now the fourth line and fifth line, sixth line also executed. But if you write the continue statement here, then what will happen? So bottom of the continue statements means these three statements are skipped. These three statements are skipped, and what will happen? These three statements are skipped, and the control is moved to top of the program. Simply it will move to the top of the program and it will be executed. That means the continue statement move the control to the top of the while loop. Then top of the while loop when it is executed. Means the bottom lines are not executed. Simply when the continue statement is executed by the compiler, simply the control will move to the top of the while loop, and from the again it verify the condition and it is entering into the while block. Okay, like that the continue statement is executed by the C compiler. Then come to go to statement. Okay, the go to statement, in the go to statement, okay, so how it is work? So we will discuss. C supports the go to statement to branch unconditionally from one point to another point in the program. The go to requires a label in order to identify the place where the branch is to be made. The general form of go to and label statements are shown with the example see here. Okay, so what is the use of go to statement? Go to means it is a word. Okay, go to. So in our real life also I am asking the question. Okay, so I am saying to one person, go to principal chamber. So what is the meaning of that statement? That means the person should go to principal's chamber. Okay, same just like that in the programming. Okay, the C in the programming, the compiler is executing line by line. When the go to statement is occur, then mention the label position. The mentioned label position, the control is moved and the execution is starts from the labeled position. Like that, the control is moved from one place to another place in the program execution with the help of a go to statement. Okay, mention the go to keyword with the labeled value. The corresponding labeled value is appeared on the program. Then the go to statement is moves the control from present execution position to particular labeled execution position. Okay, like that the go to statement is executed by the compiler. These are the jumping control statements available in the C language. Now last classification. Okay, multi-way conditional statement. Now we will discuss about multi-way conditional statement, that is a switch case statement in the C language. So already we know that. So C control statements are classified into 4 types. First one is conditional control statements. Second one is looping control statements. Third one is jumping control statements. Fourth one is multi-way conditional statement. This is only one. Okay, so already first classification is over, second classification is over, third classification is over, then the last classification, that is multi-way conditional statement. This statement is only one. Okay, so the multi-way conditional statement is called as switch case statement in the C. switch case statement in the C. Why? Because the switch statement is called as multi-way conditional statement. Before discussing this topic, for example, okay, in our real life also multiple options are available. From that options you are chosen only one option. Okay, how it is possible in our real life? Means, for example, after completion of your intermediate qualification, you are come to the degree college. The degree college, for example, the student qualification is intermediate MPC. Okay, my college is providing a different types of groups. In that groups, the MPC intermediate candidate is eligible for MPC Telugu medium in the degree, MPC English medium, okay, in degree college, MPCS Maths, Physics, Computer Science combination, and he is also eligible for BCom, and he is also eligible for BA. Okay, so like that, in the science sections there are 3 groups are there. In arts section there are 2 groups are there. A MPC intermediate candidate have the choices to join 5 groups, but the candidate is chosen only, the student is chosen only one group. Means according to his interest, he may join MPC TM or MPC EM or MPCS or BCom or PA, whatever it may be the group. Only one group. Okay, like that. Here in the switch statement also, multiple options are available. From that multiple options only the control is executed only one option. It execute only one option. That is depending upon switch value and case value. Means when the switch value is equal to the case value, then the corresponding case is executed from the switch statement. So in the simple manner, the switch case statement contain multiple options. From the multiple options, only one option is executed at a time. Okay, so like that the switch statement is executed. So one more option is also there in the switch statement. Okay, if multiple options are not executed, by default the default option is executed. Default option is executed. Like that the switch statement is executed by the C compiler. Okay, now switch case statement is used to select one of many alternative. Listen carefully. Okay, one of many alternatives. If many alternatives are available, from that one only one option is executed. The general form of switch case statement is like this. Here I am writing switch keyword, switch statement, in the parenthesis E variable, that is called as switch variable, then reserved case and C1 constant value, then the first case group of statements, then same just like that case keyword and second case value, then group of statements, then dash n number of cases. At last, after completion of n number of cases, I am written default case. Now here how it is executed means the switch statement contain n number of cases with default case. Then how the switch statement is executed means the e value, when the e value equal to C1, then the first case is executed. Then after completion of the execution of first case, with the help of break statement, the switch statement execution is stopped. Okay, so like that the switch statement contain group of options, number of options. From the group of options, number of options, only one case is executed by the compiler. Okay, so above the default case, number of cases are available. These number of cases are not executed, means the e value is not equal to C1, the e value is not equal to C2, the e value is not equal to dash Cn value also. Then no case is executed by the switch statement. In that situation, by default, the default statement is executed by the compiler. Like that, the switch statement contain number of options with the default option. From the number of options, only one option is executed by the compiler. That means executed in the program. So if no case is executed in the switch statement, by default the default case is executed by the compiler. Like that, so in whatever it may be happened as a student life, okay, so just I explained the example. Okay, multiple groups are available. From that multiple groups, the student can choose in the degree level only one group. Same just like that, here also multiple options are available. From the multiple options, the particular only one option is executed. Okay, so like that, the switch statement is executed with the compiler. Then rules for switch statement. While you are writing the switch statement, what rules you have to follow? Okay, listen carefully one by one. The expression E must be an integer type or character type also. Okay, that means the switch variable means, so the variable which is used in the switch statement is called as the switch variable. Okay, the switch variable E, listen, observe in this example, the switch variable E, okay, I am taking E, okay, as a example. In the expression, the E must be an integer or a character also, a character value also. Next, case labels C1, C2 dash 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 must be contain a constant value. Okay, so that means a integer constant or a character constant value, and these values must be unique. Okay, that must be unique means that case values must be given in the different values. Okay, unique values. Then the break statement transfer the control out of the switch statement. Here, what is the use of break statement in the switch statement? Means the break statement transfer the control out of the switch statement. When the one option is executed by the switch statement, simply the break statement will move the control from the switch statement to out of the switch statement. Now, the default label is an optional, means the default case you may write or you may not write according to the programmer requirement. The programmer can use default case or the programmer may not use default case. Okay, but it is a optional. Okay, the default may be placed anywhere, but usually placed at the end of the switch statement. Okay, generally the default case is written at the end of the all cases below the switch statement. Okay, like that. It is permitted to nest the switch statement also. Okay, a switch statement is nested, permitted to nest another switch statement also. Okay, so like that, you can use the multi-way conditional control structure, that is switch statement. So observe the example carefully here. Okay, so here in the program I am declared grade. Okay, variable name is grade. Okay, so the grade variable have character data type and it contain the value B. Then comes to here switch statement begin and switch statement end. Okay, just I explained that the case values may be taken as integer constants or character constants. Okay, so now here first of all you observe first case A, first case value is A, capital A. Okay, then in this case printf excellent and break. Okay, the group of statements are like that. Printf excellent means excellent keyword, excellent message is print on your output screen. With the help of break statement it will be breaked. Then next BC. Okay, when the case value is B and C. Okay, that means you may club multiple cases with different value but contain the same group of statements. Okay, same block. Okay, like that only you can club the clubbing is possible in the switch statement. Means multiple cases have the same execution block. You may not repeat each and every time. Simply you write all the cases at the top and bottom of the all the cases. Simply write common block of that cases. Okay, now the B contain, okay, case B contain, case C contain same execution lines, that is printf well done. Okay, then break. Then next D case contain you passed, then break. Then case F contain better luck next time, that means fail, better try again, and break. Then default okay, printf invalid grade. Okay, so then next after completion of the switch statement execution, your grade is, okay, your grade is, okay, then it will simply print the grade value whatever it may be available in the program. Okay, for example, here clearly I am mentioning the grade as a B, grade value as a B. Now come to program. Here the case value is A and the grade value, grade variable value is B. Means the switch value, the switch statement value is B and the case statement, the case option value is A. So A is not equal to B. So the condition is both are different. A and B both are not equal. So the first case means the first option not executed by the compiler, not executed by the compiler. Then afterwards it will come to bottom of the program, it come to bottom of the program. So then in the bottom, so here the switch variable value is B and case value as B. So now B equal to B. Okay, both are true, both are true. That's why the second case is executed by the compiler. Then it will print like that, well done. The answer is, the output is well done. Okay, here like that, when the particular case is executed by the compiler, simply with the help of break statement, the switch statement is terminated. The switch statement is terminated. Okay, like that, from the multiple options, only one option, only single option. From the group of option, only single option is executed by the switch statement. For example, if you write grade variable value as X, then what will happen? X equal to A, condition is false. Okay, it is not executed. X equal to B, X equal to C, it is also false. That's why this is also not executed. X equal to D, so this is also not executed. X equal to F, this is also not executed. From the group of options, no option is executed by the compiler. Simply it will comes to default case, and with the help of default case, it will print like this, invalid grade. It will print like this, invalid grade. Like that, the switch statement is executed by the compiler. Okay, now we are completed total control statements available in C language. So the control statements in the C language are classified into 4 types. Number 1, conditional control statements. Number 2, looping control statements. Number 3, jumping control statements. Number 4, multi-way conditional control statement. Okay, this is only one. Okay, so like that, our C program contain these types of these 4 types of control statements in the C language. Okay, okay students, observe this program carefully. This program is the example program how the break statement is executed. means the jumping control statements have break statement. So how the break statement is used in the programming, I will explain with the example program, with this example program. Okay, here observe this program carefully. I is assigned to 1, means I variable now initialization value is 1. I variable initialization value is now 1. I is less than or equal to 10. Condition is I is less than or equal to 10. Then in the while loop, I write like this: I is assigned to I plus 1. Means in each iteration means in each looping, I value is incremented only as 1. That means now the while loop is executed for I value equal to 1. Condition is true, it executes the first time, and then I value is 2, again it executes. Now I value equal to 3, again it executes. Similarly 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So using these three concepts, initialization statement and condition statement and increment statement, so generally this while loop is executed 10 times. Generally this while loop is executed 10 times. In this while loop, I am written the statement is printf high. That means the high message is also prints on the output screen generally 10 times. Okay, but here I am writing a break statement with the help of if condition. If I value reaches 5, means when the in any iteration, that means in the 5th iteration, the I value is become as 5. Now 5 value equal to 5, the condition is true. If the condition is true, then what will happen? Now it will execute the break statement. When the break statement is executed by the compiler, then what will happen? This while loop generally execute 10 times, but no further execution will be occurred. Simply it will breaks, the break statement is breaks the looping of while loop, looping execution of while loop, and ends the program with the help of this close curly brace. That means if you omit these two lines, then what will happen? If you omit these two lines, then what will happen? The high is printed 10 times, but when the break statement is executed, then the middle drop, that means the while loop is execution is dropped when the I value become as 5. That's why the while loop is executed only 5 times. For that purpose, it will print the message high message as 5 times only. Okay, so simple manner, I will explain the break statement. When the break statement is executed by the compiler, simply the execution of the while loop, the repetition means the looping execution of the while loop is stopped and breaked, and then comes to following lines execution. Okay, so for example, first of all I am writing these two lines as comment lines with the commenting sections. Okay, so how a particular line is commented in the C language is slash and star, star and slash. That means if you write slash star star slash, so this is opening and this closing of commenting methodology, commenting method. When you write this comment, so this particular lines are appeared on the programming, on the coding, but that lines are not executed by the compiler. Okay, that is the giving the commenting lines in the programming. So simply I am saving the programming and alt F9, compile successful. So here now I am breaking the break statement. The break statement is not executed. Why? Because the break statement is enclosed at present in the comment line method. Then execute, compile successful completed, then execute the program. So execution is completed, then alt F5, see the result, then
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Generally the while loop. Why? Because I am taken as the initial value I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 10, and I plus plus. So with the help of the control variable of while loop, the while loop is executed 10 times. For that purpose, the hi message is printed 10 times. Now I am removing these commenting method. Okay. Now what will happen if I removed the commenting method of these two lines? Then what will happen? This is physically present and logically present. That means in the execution also these two lines are now executed by the compiler. Okay. Now I am saving the F2. Okay. So I am compiling the program. Okay. I am executing the program. Now see the result as okay once. Why? Because at present my output is displayed previous 10 and remaining 5, total 15. That's why I am here including CLR SCR function. Okay. So what is the use of CLR SCR function? Already I explained. With the help of CLR SCR clear screen function, the previous program output is cleared on the output screen. That's why I am again used CLR SCR function and saved the program and compiling the program. Okay, and I am executing the program. Then what will happen? So see the result. Hi. So five times only my while loop is executed. Why? Because when the I value is reaches 5, then the if condition 5 equal to 5, then the corresponding break statement is executed and the while loop is breaked with the help of the break statement. Like that, in the while loop, in the do while loop, in the for loop also, and the switch statement also, we can use the break statement according to user requirement. That means in the simple manner, the break statement is executed by the C compiler. Simply the particular loop is breaked and terminated by the C compiler. Okay. Now I will explain switch statement example. Okay. So observe, see the switch statement example. So here the switch statement. Okay. So switch statement is a multi-way conditional control statement. It have multiple options. It have multiple options. From the group of options, only one option, one case is executed by the compiler. Okay, just now we discussed all these topics. So observe carefully. Okay, so the switch statement contain three options. That means three cases: case 1 and case 2 and case 3, and with one more default case. Okay, so from these three cases, only at a time, only one case is executed by the compiler. If no case is executed, in that situation, the default case is executed by the compiler. Okay, how it is work? I will explain. Okay, so see, observe carefully. Here I am printing some comment lines. Okay, enter 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication. These all are print on my output screen. Then simply enter your choice. Okay, so then choice is taken in the ch variable. For example, the choice is 3. Ch value now 3. Simply it asks the enter two numbers. Okay, so I am entered the values as some 2 comma some 3. The 2 is stored in the A and 3 is stored in the B. Now ch value contain 3. Okay, comes to here. Now the ch value now 3. Ch means ch variable value is now 3. So the 3 value is equal to 1. Okay, condition is false. Now the first case is not executed. Then comes to second case. Second case value is 2 and ch value is 3. So the 3 equal to 2. Again condition is false. Now also second case is not executed. Now the ch value is 3 and the case value is also 3. Now both are equal. So now third case is executed. Simply with the 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 is stored in the R variable and the R variable is printed with the help of printf statement. With the help of break statement, the switch statement is terminated by the compiler. Like that, my switch statement, multiple conditional statement is executed. Then observe carefully, compile success, then run the program. So it asked enter 1 for addition, enter 2 for subtraction, enter 3 for multiplication. Enter your choice. Okay, మీ choice ని enter చేయమని అడుగుతుంది. Okay, now you will enter the choice as some 3, then simply press the enter key, then it asks the enter two numbers, that is 2 and 3, then I again see the answer, alt F5. So now the result equal to 3 into 2 into 3, that is 6. Okay, like that the switch statement is executed. For example, I am writing, okay, so now here enter 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for multiplication. Now I am enter the choice as 5. Then what will happen? Again it asks the value, enter two numbers, that is first number is 1 and second number is 2. Then see the answer. Then wrong choice is entered. Why? Because in my program asking for input only 3 options. Enter 1 for addition calculation, 2 number for subtraction calculation, 3 number for multiplication calculation. But the user entered the choice as 5. The 5, now the 5 is not equal to 1. Okay, here the 5 is not equal to 2. Again the 5 is not equal to 3. So the no case is executed from this group of cases. By default it executes the default case and give the output as wrong choice entered. Okay, so like that it will display the wrong choice entered output. Okay, like that the switch statement is multi-way conditional control statement. Okay, from the group of statement only one statement is executed. If no statement is executed from the group of statement, by default the default case is executed by the C compiler. Okay, so now we will complete the total topic of control statements available in the C language. Thank you, one and all.